Pyay is principal town of Pyay Township in the Bago Region in Myanmar. Pyay is located on the Irrawaddy River and is 260 kilometers northwest of Yangon. The British Irrawaddy Flotilla Company established the current town in the late 19th century on the Irrawaddy as a transshipment point for cargo between Upper and Lower Burma. The district of Pyay encompasses the valley of the Irrawaddy, located between Thayetmyo, Hinthada and Tharrawaddy districts. Along the western side of Pyay district are the Arakan Mountains and along the eastern side of the Bago Range. Pyay district's main towns are Pyay, Shuidong, and Pom. Etymology. The name Pyay means country in Burmese, and refers to the ruins of the main city of the Pyu city-states, Triquetra, which is located 8 kilometers to the southeast of modern Pyay and is in the village of Marwa. History. Much debate surrounds the construction of Triquetra. Hin Ong suggests that Pyu might have been founded in 78 CE, based on the Sanskrit Pyu era. D.G. Hall and Gordon Luce, however, claimed that civilization of the Irrawaddy Valley could not have been possible before the 4th century, thus attributing the founding of Triquetra to 638, from which the current Burmese Khaosa era begins. Triquetra was the capital of the Pyu dynasty of Vikrama. The city was circular with walls enclosing an around of 46 square kilometers, making it the largest walled city in Southeast Asia during its peak. The city contained both housing and also farms, as evident from the remains of waterways and tanks which have been discovered. The Chinese pilgrims Shanzang and Yijing mentioned about Triquetra in the mid-7th century accounts. It is not known when precisely the Pyas abandoned Triquetra and moved northward. It is speculated that the decline was due to the growth of the Irrawaddy River delta, cutting it off from coastal trade, and also from Mon and later Taishan incursions. Burmese chronicles state that when Anurata invaded the southern parts of modern-day Myanmar in 1057, he ordered the ruins of Triquetra to be destroyed to prevent rebels from sheltering. The Burmese came to call the old Pyu center Pyay. The extensive ruins have been the subject of intensive archaeological investigation, called Prom by the British. The city became part of British territory after the Second Anglo-Burmese War in 1853. The town was taken by the British in 1825 during the Battle of Prom and again in 1852, on both occasions with hardly any opposition. In 1862, it was almost entirely destroyed by fire and was afterwards re-laid out in straight and broad streets. It was erected into a municipality in 1874, and since then great improvements have been made, including waterworks. During World War II, the city was the site of the Battle of Prom. The city was later retaken by the British Army in May 1945. To the south and southeast, the town is closed in by low pagoda-topped hills, on one of which stands the conspicuous gilded Shwezandor Pagoda. The Shwezandor Pagoda is a pagoda in the center of Pyay. It is the terminus for a railway from Yangon, which runs through the district. To the west of Pyay, crossing Irrawaddy River through Irrawaddy Bridge, one of the famous pagoda of Pyay, the Shwebon Muni Pagoda, exists. Geography. The north and northeast of the district is forest-covered, and contains numerous valleys and ravines, which unite in one large stream called the Nawang River. The most important of the plains lie in the south and southwest portions of Pyay, and extend along the whole length of the railway that runs between. There are in addition large tracts of land covered by jungle, which are available for cultivation. The principal river is the Irrawaddy, which intersects the district from north to south. Next in importance of the Tani and its tributaries and the Nawang system of rivers. In the hills near the capital, the soil is of tertiary formation. vegetation, and in the plains it is an alluvial deposit. Climate: Pyay has a tropical savanna climate. Temperatures are hot throughout the year, especially in the months before the monsoon from March to May, when average maximum temperatures exceed 36 degrees Celsius. The winter months are somewhat milder than the rest of the year. There is a winter dry season and a summer wet season. Heavy rain falls in the summer, particularly in the month of July, when 626 millimeters of rain falls. Economy: the main crop is rice, but some cotton and tobacco are grown, while the custard apples are famous. Sericulture is extensively carried on by a special class. The forests yield teak and kutch. Cotton and silk weaving are important industries. There are also manufactures of ornamental boxes, coarse brown sugar and kutch. Education: Pyay City has 3 universities. The universities are Pyay University, Pyay Technological University, and Computer University. Pyay University is situated near to the town centre of Pyay. PTU is situated near to Norgon Village and Latkokpan Village, a few miles away from Pyay. CU Pyay is also quite a far distance from downtown.